Hello and welcome back to Hard-Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to use AI Summarize in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! So, note that you need to use the Samsung Internet application and you also need to have a Samsung account on your device to use this feature. But after you have already logged into the account, we can head into Samsung Internet. And you'll notice that, okay, I do have plenty of ads here, but I'm currently on a site that is like this news site related to games, and we have this gaming thing about Silksong and the creative director of Hell Is Us, I believe, that's warning about the premiere of said game. So, of course, I'm not going to read all of that. Instead, I can use AI Summarize to have a clear and very short summary of contents of that site. So we can enter into the AI button that's located right here at the bottom, and then we can simply go into Summarize. So let's here, and of course we do have, well, unfortunately it's not in English, it's in Polish, which is the language that the site is on. So you can go into Translate. And now we also have the ability to translate it into any English possible, and we have a nice summary of the site, and it reads that Hell Is Us creator criticizes Silksong's release, and yada yada yada, you can read it yourself. Basically, it gave us a very nice summary of a nice site, and I think this feature is actually really good. I don't think it's that good to actually convince me to start using Samsung Internet application. I do think there are many better browsers out there, but this feature does help you with, like, I don't know, clearing useless garbage off your feeds. Like, hey, you have this news article that's half an ad, half and random stuff, and only 1% is actual information. And getting through that useless thing using the summary from the AI sounds like a very, very useful thing to do. And anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!